our rich cultural heritage, charisma with an elite sense of style, and modern recreational and sports facilities that young and old yearn for. Ahmednagar Club in Maharashtra is an example of such a brimming lifestyle.
This is a very old heritage club. It was formed when the British were ruling this country. It is a very prestigious point for people to be the member of this club. The services provided in the club, such as the swimming pool, the gym, the equipment what are used, the RO system, filter plant, everything, they run 24/7. So there is a huge consumption of electricity in the club. So we had to go for some other alternative of power generation for the clubs because it was costing a huge amount of expenses to the club. And after a huge discussion in this matter, we selected Havells.
When we came to know that they had huge power requirement, we visited their place and then we suggested them a solar PV system. After detailed survey of the site, we also got to know that there was not much of ample space available on rooftops in Nagar Club premises. That is why we suggested them to go for a ground mounted installation. It was a challenging purpose to go for ground mounted because of the land conditions, the slope. We leveled the ground, we got to the plinth level, we did auto levels, and after that we came to a good installation in place. We installed a 40 kilowatt Havells SolarEdge ground mounted system comprising of two inverters of 27.6 and 17 kW capacity. In this, Havells supported us in designing, installation and commissioning of this system, and I'm sure that the customer is also quite happy with such a trusted brand.
This system was installed 2 years ago. We have come a long way since then, but this project will always remain very close to our heart as it was a special project. This was the first project which was installed in the state of Maharashtra by Havells.
After installation of this system, we are very happy with the system. We are saving a huge amount of for electricity, and the total cost saving is not less than 3,000 rupees per day. The members are also happy because we have gone for a sustainable source of energy. We are very happy that we took the right decision choosing Havells as the source for sustainable energy, and we are getting the best of the best services with the local partner Aditya Solar, and we are, as on today, we as a management and the club members are very happy with Havells.
Whether it is serving your community, ensuring sustainability or leaving a green imprint, Havells is with you.